It's not only about the business. We have to show our clients, we have to make them feel special that we are not only caring about the business, we are caring about our clients and their families. So we have to sympathize them in the best possible manner because we all are in the same situation right now.
बेसिक टर्म्स में बात करें तो इंटरनेशनल मार्केटिंग होता है बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज़ को परफॉर्म करना, जैसे कि प्लानिंग, प्राइसिंग, प्रमोटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज टू कंज्यूमर्स इन मोर देन वन कंट्री. International marketing involves traveling to different countries, but in these coronavirus times, traveling is not that safe anymore until a vaccine is developed. जैसे कि कहा जाता है, marketing never stops. You still have to get your message out, but you have to do so in a sensitive and a thoughtful way. So let's start our conversation with highly successful global business head in international marketing on News O'Clock. What's your name and what do you do?
Hi, my name is Shubham Sharma and I'm working as Global Business Head, International Marketing.
कोरोना वायरस पेंडेमिक ने आपकी लाइफ कैसे इम्पैक्ट किया है?
As a human, impact is bad only, since a lot of people are losing their lives all around the globe. And moreover, this is a contagious disease for which we have to be cautious about everything. Coming down to business, the impact is negative, as we have a lot of orders that are into manufacturing, but they are stuck because of this COVID-19, and the government is not allowing us to ship these orders. Moreover, the clients are ready to do more business with us, but due to the lockdown in their countries, the business is stuck and the economies are going down. Now, coming down to the positive side of this COVID-19, we have got a lot of time to spend with our family, to care for them and to spend good memories with them.
अभी इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल्स पे बहुत सारे रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं, तो जो आपके इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स हैं जिनसे आप पहले इन पर्सन कम्युनिकेट करते थे, उनसे आप कैसे कम्युनिकेशन इस्टेब्लिश करोगे?
Communication is the most important point in business terms. Whether we are sitting in front of our clients, whether we are sitting back at home or we are sitting in the office, the communication has to be the best. In today's time, during the lockdown, we are using different mediums of communication like Zoom call, WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp video calls, with which we have to connect with our clients on a daily basis. It's not only about the business. We have to show our clients, we have to make them feel special that we are not only caring about the business, we are caring about our clients and their families. So we have to sympathize them in the best possible manner because we all are in the same situation right now.
आपके एनालिसिस में कोविड-19 का कोई इम्पैक्ट होगा कंज्यूमर्स की बाइंग हैबिट्स पे?
Yes, definitely. There will be a great change. There will be a great impact in consumer buying habits because, as we know, because of COVID-19, all the economies are shut down and the purchasing power of each and every country is going down. So there will be a great impact on the purchasing power of each and every country.
आपको इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल बहुत करना होता है, तो क्या आपको लगता है आपको थोड़ा सा डर लगेगा अभी इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल्स करने में?
No, there is nothing to be afraid of for the international travel after COVID-19. But the most important point is that each and every country will lay down their own rules and regulations for the international travel. So we need to fulfill and follow all those rules and regulations to keep ourselves safe.
जब ये लॉकडाउन कम्प्लीटली ख़त्म हो जाएगा, वो ऐसी कौन सी पहली चीज़ें जो आप करना चाहोगे?
Once the lockdown is over, I would like to join back my office with great zeal and enthusiasm.
जब ये कोरोना वायरस पेंडेमिक ख़त्म हो जाएगा, वो कौन सी जगह है जहाँ आप विज़िट करना चाहोगे सबसे पहले?
Once COVID 19 is completely over, I would like to travel to Peru and Brazil, as these two countries have been like a second home to me since past many years.
वो कौन सी ऐसी एक चीज़ है जो आप अपनी लाइफ में ऐड करना चाहोगे इस लॉकडाउन को ख़त्म हो जाने के बाद भी?
Very nice question. During this lockdown period, we have learned a lot of things, which comprises of keeping our surroundings clean, maintaining hygiene, helping the needy people, and actually realizing what our basic essential necessities are. I would like to implement all these things in my life even when the COVID 19 is over.
कोरोना वायरस ये हमारी लाइफ से चला जाएगा, वो ऐसी कौन सी एक चीज़ है जो आप अपनी सराउंडिंग्स में देखना चाहते हो?
From surrounding point of view, we all will have to follow hygiene, cleanliness, and social distancing for the years to come.
Any message that you would like to share with the News O'Clock family?
I would like to convey my best wishes and blessings to the News O'Clock, and being a Spanish expert, I would like to convey a message in Spanish language. Muy buen trabajo. Bendiciones para el futuro. Gracias. Chao, chao, amigo.